50 million views. JEANPOD, wake up.
Hello, Rossy.
I want to become a star in YouTube.
Okay, you just have to do a video.
But I know that I have to do a video. Hello? But how?
Ask Mr. YouTube.
Derek.
In the flesh.
Oh, my goodness.
Mucho gusto.
Oh, thank you.
I heard you want to be a YouTube star.
Yes.
First tip?
Yes.
Connect with the audience. Eye contact.
Yes.
But not with me.
Huh.
The audience.
Ah.
Connect.
Connect.
Deeper. Deep. Deep. I think that's too deep. That's too... It's a deep. You don't want to scare them.
No, of course not.
A very big format on YouTube is unboxing.
Unboxing?
Open this present
Yes.
with as much excitement and enthusiasm as is humanly possible.
Let's try. Oh!
No. You can do better.
It's amazing!
Another excellent format, ASMR.
Brain orgasm.
A brain orgasm. We need a microphone. Hi, Rosie.
Derek.
Try this.
Look at this, Derek.
Oh. Pop those bubbles, Rosie. Connect.
I'm connecting.
Okay. One more thing. Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, of course. If you subscribe, Derek gonna get naked. They subscribe already.
How do you know they subscribe?
Oh, but I know, Derek. Everybody wants to see you naked. Derek, subscribe.